21 plus 8. We take 1 unit. 20 is 2/10. We take 1/10, 2/10. 1 unit, 2/10. 21. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1, 2, 2. 29. 1, 2, 3 units. 3/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. 5 units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3/10. 38. 38. 33 plus 5 is 38. 64. 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. 60 is 6/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10. 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 65. 65. 64 plus 1 is 65. 24 plus 3. 4. 20 is 2/10. We add 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 20. 27. 27. 24 plus 3 is 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 47. 47. 46 plus 1 is 47. Today I have shown you a maths presentation stamp game. See you next time.